In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Terms and Conditions page in GoHighLevel 2026. Before we start, have your Terms and Conditions text ready in a document so you can paste it in smoothly. This walkthrough will show you how to create a clean, readable page that you can publish and share right away. From your GoHighLevel dashboard, head to Sites. This is where all your website assets live. Next, go into Websites. You'll see the list of sites you manage. Select the website where you want the terms and conditions to appear. If you have multiple sites, double-check you're opening the correct one so the page ends up in the right place. Inside that website, choose Add New Page. You'll be prompted to name it. Type a clear, recognizable title like Terms and Conditions, so it's easy to find later and obvious to visitors. After naming it, click Create New Page. When you're asked how to start, pick Create from Blank. A blank canvas keeps the layout simple and ensures your legal text is front and center without distractions. You'll land in the Page Builder. Click Add to insert a new section, then drag a single-column layout onto the page. A one-column design is ideal for long-form policy text because it maximizes readability across devices. Now add your heading. Insert a headline element in that column and type Terms and Conditions. Keep it concise and use a clear font size so readers immediately understand what the page contains. Confirm the addition so it appears on the canvas. Under the heading, drag in a paragraph element. Click into the paragraph area and paste your Terms and Conditions text. Take a moment to format it for clarity. Use short paragraphs, clear subheadings, and consistent spacing. If your original document had bullets or numbered clauses, replicate that structure here so readers can scan easily. You can also emphasize key section titles with bold or slightly larger text to improve navigation. Remember, while this is a technical setup, the content itself is legal in nature. Consider having a qualified professional review your text to make sure it fits your business and jurisdiction. When everything looks good, click Publish. That makes the page live and accessible. After publishing, your Terms and Conditions page is ready to be linked from checkouts, forms, or your site footer so visitors can review it whenever they need. And that's it. You've created, formatted, and published a professional Terms and Conditions page